Chief, we have a good reason to celebrate.
Mayor, you're right. This year is the 100th anniversary of Fire Prevention Week in the U.S. It's October 9th through the 15th, and this year's campaign theme is important as always.
Fire won't wait. You need to plan your escape.
We want to educate everyone about simple but crucial actions that they can take to keep themselves and those around them safe from home fires. 2 minutes. That's all the time you have to escape a home fire once that alarm sounds. Today's homes burn faster than ever, so it's more critical than ever that everyone in your home plan, practice, and prepare for a home fire escape route. From children to older adults and people with disabilities, make sure that someone can help them. The Killeen Fire Department wants to share these key home fire escape planning tips with you. Number 1, make sure your plan meets all the needs of all of your family members. Number 2, smoke alarms should be installed inside every sleeping room, outside each separate sleeping area, and on every level of your home. Smoke alarms should be interconnected, so when one sounds, they all sound together. Know at least 2 ways out of every room if possible, both the door and the window. Have an outside meeting place, a safe distance from your home where everyone should meet. And practice your home fire drill at least twice a year with everyone in the household. Practice at least once during the day and once at night.
In conjunction with Fire Prevention Week, the Killeen Fire Department is hosting an open house on Saturday, October 22nd at the Central Fire Station on 201 South 28th Street.
This is the community's chance to meet our firefighters as they discuss fire safety, prevention, and education.
You won't want to miss out on all the activities, including live fire demonstration, truck tours, an obstacle course, information of vendors, face paint, arts and crafts, and you could even get to dunk firefighter in a dunk tank.
Not this guy. But this event is free, and there'll also be free food and Italian ice available.
Come join us and help us spread safety awareness. Head to KilleenTexas.gov/fire for more information.